What's up, YouTube? So now I didn't film it, but I'm working on this chainsaw. I cleaned the carburetor. Cleaned it up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna put everything back together and see if she'll fire up. The first thing I want to do is put this cover back on. To do that, there's two screws here. There's two screws here. What I do is stick it in here. I usually just do it this way. I just stick it in the socket and just go on it. It just seems easier that way. And then we screw it on. I'll kind of catch it. Just catch that one and then I usually do it, you can catch it. You can do it whatever way you like, but I usually do it that way. And then we're going to fully tighten this up. So let's tighten it. This one. Now, there's an air filter assembly. Stick right here. It kind of clicks in. Then we got this screw, which goes here. And I did clean the air filter off camera. I didn't bother to film it, but I did clean up the air filter. Alright, and then to another latch that we need. Let me get it. Might need some tuning. It starts, but here's this. There's another cover for the air filter. This is a really old model. I remember I got it. I didn't get it. Well, my grandfather got it like 20 years ago. So hopefully it works. And this thing slides on. You just gotta push it down like that. Then you screw this on. Shift lock, shift works. Next, I gotta pay attention to this chain that I did. Alright, let's do that. Just gonna put the cover on. Just tighten up the blade. Just gonna tighten up the. Just gonna tighten up the side blade. Can't really turn it because it's kind of loose. But tighten it up. Let's try to start it. She don't choke. Got fuel, I know. And now I'm gonna set you guys down here. So we'll move the Craftsman. Alright, let's see if she'll start. Oh, try to do something. You know what? guys, here I went. Dude, I tried to go for a second. Let's try. You know what, guys? I think to get it to go for a second, I heard it try to go. So now what I think I'm going to try to do is get a little bit of boost of starting fluid in it and grab it quick. And then try to see if we can get it to go. Alright, so now that I know she tried to go for a second, I'm going to spray some starting fluid in the spark plug. The first step to this is remove the cover. This job. This one, it doesn't have a primer bulb, so you have to fill up the lines manually by pulling it. I don't really like that system because you can flood the engine if you pull it too many times. You have to wait and wait, and it does the same thing. So I like this Craftsman one because you can prime it, but a little bit better. That's gonna undo it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a boost. Yeah, I do a boost, and then it'll run off its fuel. I'll try. See if she'll go for a second. I might have to put a little bit too much. You gotta screw this back in. Tighten this up. I'm gonna try to pull it and see what it does. And shout out to Home Garage for showing me these steps. Just to make sure she has spark again, just gonna do a spark test on it. Last one won't go. You didn't even want to go with starting fluid. Is the gas open here? Okay. I want to drain the fuel tank and look what it looks like. Again, I'll try to drain out the fuel tank and see what it looks like in here. I'll do this on an angle. Just dumped out. Okay, so I'm going to try a drop of new fuel and see what it does. Some new fuel. I'm gonna try to put in it. This most likely isn't the problem, but I'm just gonna give it a shot. Just gonna put our old fuel nicely over here. Now let's try. Well, guys, it seemed to have gone. I did clean it, but thanks for watching.